2016 F150 XLT. We gotta change out that differential fluid and reseal the cover. Seems to have a little leak. The jack is located on the Super Crew and the extended cab behind the passenger seat, rear seat. Once you get your spare tire out, it's a good time to check it, make sure it's aired up. Just a heads up too. This thing came with this hook on the fat end of this spare tire tool. I had to take this off. This is the side that goes in there, which you use your key to get the cap out of. Now we got access down here. You want to take these studs off here, move this line out of the way, put it up over here. And on mine here, it's a 13 millimeter. Get yourself a drain pan. Go ahead and take all these. Get all those off, you're going to want to have to break this seal down here, so you just need to pry gently. Try not to mar up any of the actual metal, and slowly work your way around and pop that thing loose. Found what worked well is this little screwdriver I got right here. It's pretty sharp. You just get it up in there, wiggle it a little bit, and just kind of work your way around. And you'll hear it kind of cracking. And then once that drains down, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this whole cover off. Okay, so once you get this off, there's gonna be a little pool of fluid back in there, so we wanna get nice clean rags and we wanna pull all that out, clean everything off in here as best we can. And we gotta get all this old sealant off. So start by scraping it maybe with a gasket scraper, and then we'll probably go around and buff it off with a wheel, but we want to cover all this up with some rags. So first I'm going to go ahead and get all this fluid out of here as best I can. So I go ahead and got this covered with a bunch of rags so nothing falls in there, and you just want to go around and scrape this gasket off. Alright, after we clean that, I'm going to take a Scotch-Brite and clean that off, and some brake clean, and spray that off. So if you have it, take a wheel with a Scotch-Brite brush on it, and go around this whole thing. Next thing we got to do is the same exact thing to the diff cover. Now if you have it, you put your diff cover in the parts bath. It's a good idea. After you put the differential sealant on the cover, just go around each hole and go all the way around. Stick it on there as straight as you can, and hand tighten each one of these nuts down. And then put your studs back in where they go. And then we'll torque these to 35 foot-pounds. So now I'm going ahead and in a star pattern and torquing all these up. Alright. Now we just got to fill it up with fluid. Make sure you don't forget to put these back on. Should be good to go. Alright, after you take your plug out, you're going to want to clean it off. Get back under here. That hole right there is the fill hole. And this owner manual called for 3.6 quarts of oil. And that pretty much took it right to the top, so you can't go any higher than that. And then you just want to put that plug back on.